The third iteration of the Huracan Super Trofeo features a radical aero kit, bigger brakes, and pays homage to the erstwhile Countach. Lamborghini launched the first ever Huracan Super Trofeo back in 2014. It was essentially a hardcore track machine built to enter the world of GT3 racing. Fast forward to 2017. The company revealed the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO that benefited from an aerodynamics package. Fast forward to the present day, the Italian automaker has rolled out its successor, the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2, that will take part in the Super Trofeo in 2022. What's different on the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2? Lamborghini Squadra Corse, the automaker's motorsport division, has worked with Lamborghini Centro Style to create the most high-performance version ever to race in the one-make series. Just like the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO, the emphasis this time around is also on aerodynamics. The company also noted that the design and styling elements seen here are a preview of what's to come in the future. Up front, the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2 looks vastly different from its predecessor. It now comes with a hexagonal design with an omega lip. It conflates with the carbon fiber fins and has some resonance with the Huracan STO. The automaker has even equipped new air curtain intakes that optimize airflow and help with the downforce. Also, the headlights are now full LEDs. Continuing with the heavy carbon fiber treatment to keep the weight as low as possible, the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2 features a large wing at the rear. The arched carbon fiber bumper is linked with the aerodynamic appendages located behind the wheels to the redesigned diffuser fins. The rear fenders are composed of a single element and include a part of the side spoiler too. All the other plastic elements all around the body are also replaced with carbon fiber components. The frames of the LED tail light clusters are an ode to the Countach. Fun fact: this year marks the 50th anniversary of the Countach concept that was revealed as the LP500 at the 1971 Geneva Motor Show. So, a sweet touch there by Lamborghini. What powers the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2? The Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2 is powered by the street car's engine. The 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated mill makes 620 horses. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed X-Track sequential gearbox. Squadra Corse has developed and designed the braking system for it. The car comes with 15.4-inch steel discs, as opposed to the 15-inch on the Huracan, at the front, along with new calipers that can accommodate pads with a new design and a larger surface area. Final thought. So far, the automaker has built over 400 examples of the Huracan Super Trofeo. With the Super Trofeo EVO2, it hopes to reach the 500 mark in a few years. The race car will debut on May 28 in La Castellet at the second round of the Lamborghini Super Trofeo Europe. The Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2 is priced at €250,000 before taxes. This translates to approximately $305,000 as per the current exchange rates at the time of penning this article. If you already have the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO, then you can equip the EVO2 dedicated kit to upgrade it. These kits will be available from early 2022.